Hey guys, Joey here with Joe's RV Tech DIY. Sometimes people will call me on the phone and ask me where the sail switch is located on their Suburban furnace. And on the Suburban SF models, typically the sail switch, you'll have to remove your cover if you have a cover. If you don't have a cover, you're going to have to hire an RV technician to come out, remove your furnace to gain access to the front side of the furnace like this, because sometimes this will be covered with a wall and just have two vent ports coming out of it only. And this is a SF25FQ, and the sail switch is right there. See that red wire and the black wire going in. So to get access to that, you have to take that screw in the top there, those three screws there, that one screw next to the middle bracket to the right, and the screw right up there at the top, kind of by the circuit board. While we're in here, there's the circuit board. To remove that circuit board, you would still remove this cover, and inside there, you can kind of see it in there. There's a metal bracket, and that's what actually keeps the circuit board in place. So then you would just unplug that, unplug your fan motor blower, your blower wheel, and the other wire, and hook it back up to the new one. So it's pretty simple. And then on the back side of it is where your limit switch is. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and till next time, safe travels out there.